Alright, welcome back to LCS TV Plus, and today I'm going to teach you how to store your Shiba onto the Ledger Nano S/X. So today I'm going to be working with the Ledger Nano S as my tutorial device, so let's get started. So what we're going to do is hit add account. I'm going to select a crypto asset, which is Ethereum. I'm going to hit continue. And on our Ledger Nano S, we want to open up the Ethereum application and make sure you have it installed. Alright, so now it's synchronizing our accounts. Alright, so we're going to select the first one with a balance. We're going to hit add account. So we got that successfully. And now you see the portfolio pops up. And now what we're going to do is head over to our assets allocation and select Ethereum. And we're going to select the account on Ethereum again. And it's going to take us into the account of Ethereum. So now what we're going to do is hit add token. And we're going to select a crypto assets. Now, these are ERC20 tokens, so we're going to type in the ticker SHIB. And there you go, it pops up. Alright, so now we're going to copy the recipient address. And we're going to verify the address on our Ledger Nano S. And we're going to re-verify it. Alright, so we're going to hit done. Now we're going to head over to KuCoin, and we're going to paste in the recipient address that we just copied from Ledger Live, and we're going to select a network, which is ERC20, and we're going to hit max. And as you see, the fee is going to take 2 million Shiba coins out, so I'm going to be left with 11 million, and we're going to hit confirm. And I'm going to do the verification process of withdrawing, and I'm going to cut it right here. Alright, so after waiting for a couple of minutes, we see a balance where it says Shiba, and there you go. So I have my 11 million Shiba on my Ledger Nano S, and what you can do is you can just hit this star if you want to add it to your starters account, and that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure y'all smash the subscribe button, turn on bell's notifications. Also, leave me a like for the support, and also join my Telegram group in the description section below. Check us out, and until next time, this is Oliver, and I'm signing out.
Hold on, is that Racky?